I look like one of those lunch ladies, like. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mando. If not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm actually going to be bleaching my hair to a platinum blonde. I've done it once or twice before, so I'm not too nervous, but I haven't had it with this type of hair yet, because I recently did it with a box dye and I dyed it black once I did it platinum, but I want to go back to like a platinum whitish blonde. I don't really know, I just have the girl at Sally's Beauty help me out. I have a few products. I went to Sally's Beauty to actually get them. The lady at Sally's Beauty was so nice, so helpful. She's the one who actually helped me get these products, because I kind of knew what kind of products to get. Like, I was searching around like what kind of products to get for a platinum blonde, but ultimately I went up with whatever she told me to get. And I definitely do recommend that you take someone's advice from Sally's Beauty, because, well, not every associate, I guess, because some of them don't know, but if some of them are very like knowledgeable about hair color and everything, I would definitely go to them, because you don't want your hair turning out to be like a mess. Like, this hair that I have right now is literally so disgusting. Like, if I put my hair down like this, you can see that I have like brown spots, and if I go like this, I don't know, you can kind of see that there's like an ombre effect, but it's not supposed to be there. It's like, yeah, I'm just trying to change his hair, period. But yeah, so I am going to do that because it's disgusting, and I'm gonna do what every gay guy does when they're bored or when they're going through tough times. What do? Just bleach your hair, right? I mean, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. So I'm gonna actually show you the products, and I'll actually go ahead and link all the products down below if you want to see that. But yeah, I think I said it in my old video, like, I actually wanted to dye my hair, so I'm actually doing that today. So yeah, when I say I'm gonna do something, I do it, because I'm an impatient person. But yeah, so these are the products that I got. So the first one is gonna be the first product is actually going to be these. They're just like nitrate gloves. I got the ones with aloe vera because it seemed good. And then this is actually going to be like the bleach that I use. I guess it's like the L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength. And then just some processing caps to help the process. And then this is actually going to go as a toner. Okay, this is gonna be the toner. It's T18 Lightest Ash Blonde. It's a permanent liquid hair toner. I got this one because this one is gonna be a little lighter. There's a T14 that you can also use, but yeah, if you still like can't see the products because of lighting and stuff, I will definitely put it in the description. And then I just got Developer 30 and Developer 40. Developer 40 for the bleach, and then Developer 30 for the toner, because I'm trying to lift this hair, because you can tell I did black once before, so I'm trying to get all the black out. Another product that I definitely recommend would just be like your coconut oil, because it'll help like moisturize your hair as you're bleaching it, because as you bleach it, it's gonna kill it, it's gonna damage it. Like, I know my hair, when I kept doing it, it was like it was damaged the house. Like, it was so bad. It was, yeah, but I've gotten it back to like a healthier state as of now. It might look quite dry just because it might, but I'm gonna be putting this on, and then yeah, we're just gonna put this on all over the head and around these sides so that I don't damage my skin. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I will be right back. Okay, and then the last two products I definitely forgot to mention was just this. It's a color track. I don't know, it was like $1 at Sally Beauty's. And then just like a regular mixing bowl. I only got one because I am broke, and I'm just gonna wash it out once I bleach it. But you're just gonna put the products in here, and then you're just going to mix them and then put them on your head. What's up? What's up? It's me. But yeah, I came into my bathroom to do this because I am just gonna find it easier that way to shoot it. But yeah, we're just trying to take this hair, whatever you want to call it, to platinum. So we'll see how that works out. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do first is put gloves on so that you don't like bleach your hair or anything like that. Just gonna get your gloves, and then from there you're gonna get the L'Oreal Quick Glue, and you're just going to put it here. And then we're gonna see how much we put. I'm just gonna put the whole thing. And then you're gonna wanna add the developer until you get like a creamy like thickness. So just pour it in slowly and then get your little thing and then just start mixing it. See how like right now it's very, you can see that it's very powdery. So we're just gonna add more of the 40 developer. Doesn't smell that good, but I don't think bleach should. Let's see. Okay, so before you bleach anything, you're gonna want to get the coconut oil and then just grab some and then just like saturate your head in it. Not your head, your hair. And if I'm looking this way, it's because I'm looking at the mirror so I can see where I'm putting the product. Okay, you're not gonna want to put too much where it's like wet maybe. And what you're also gonna want to do is just put it on these sides so that your skin doesn't get fucked up. So I actually got a towel and I made it less oily because it was hella oily. But now I'm just gonna start putting in the hair dye. And I literally just put it everywhere because yeah, I don't know how to do this, but bucket. I feel like I'm at a weird. Just make sure to try to get like your entire head because you don't want to have like spots because that's not cute. Hopefully this works fast because I'm making it. Let's see. Yeah, so we're just gonna throw this shit on because I'm getting tired. Okay, I'm just gonna like get my hands and make sure all the hairs are saturated or whatever you want to call it. I feel like the hardest part to always get is the back. So it says to leave it on for 40 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. But first, I'm just gonna get one of these processing caps. I look like one of those lunch ladies, like. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this on my head for about 45 minutes, and then I will come back, probably wash it out with water, no shampoo, and then tone it. Okay, so it's been like 45 minutes, and this is the result of just the dye. If you can tell, it's like really brassy and yellow. Like honestly, I'm good with the sides, like right here, like as a white, but hopefully this toner is gonna cut it off. It's not as dry as I thought it would be due to the coconut oil, but I'm gonna add some more coconut oil before the toner so that it doesn't like, I don't like fry my hair. So just get more of this coconut oil and put a fairly good amount just so that you don't burn your scalp and it's not as bad. So we're gonna get the toner, color charm, and then we're gonna use the same bowl. I had already washed it out. So you're just gonna wanna open it up. I don't know why I just melted, but yeah, so you just wanna get your bowl, put some of your toner, get some developer, put more developer than the toner I guess, because it's 2 parts. And then I have the same thing. And then just get it to a thick consistency again. But yeah, you're just gonna wanna do the same steps that you did before. And then just make sure to get your hair. You see when it goes on, it low-key looks, well, not low-key, like you can tell it's purple. That's just the toner. Okay, so the same step as before, I'm just going to put on the processing cap and then leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes or so. If you take it off, you can see that it's still like really purple. Supposedly that color is supposed to wash out, but I'm just gonna wash out my hair. And so I just washed it out and it definitely took out a lot of the brassiness and yellow. Now it's more of like a blondish color. But yeah, that's the tutorial. I will say it again, I'll put all the links down below if you want to create a similar hairstyle. My hair was literally like half was black, half was damaged. So I'm very happy with the results. I think it turned out pretty well from what I had before. It's been a week and I just bleached it and toned it again with the same product. And this is how it looks now. So I know there's some spots that are yellow, but I honestly don't care. But if you're going for this type of blonde, I would definitely just do the process that I did twice and it'll all fix it. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Oh, I'm just losing my